Happy morning, children. Today I am going to teach you EVS, birds' feathers. Children, you have seen feathers, my children. Feathers are so beautiful in birds. So they are very colorful and beautiful. Now, children, have you seen feathers, children? Okay, children. Now I'll show you some feathers. Come, let's go. Children, now you have seen the different colors, no children? It looks beautiful, no children? Yes. Okay, children, practice at home. Bye. Take care.